Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is probability and we will see some useful definitions related to the probability. So let's understand what is a probability. So probability means it is a game of a chance, okay? It is a chance. So in simple word, we call it as a chance. Chance, okay? So let us, what do we mean by the chance? See, what is the chance of winning? What is the what is the chance what is what is the chance of winning? What is the chance or probability, or we can say a word possibility? What is the chance, probability or possibility of indian cricket team Indian cricket team winning a World Cup 2028? Okay, so what is the chance of winning of Indian cricket team winning a World Cup of 2020? So it is a chance. Okay, so we can predict only, yes. Some possibilities there, some possibility. See, we have also seen that during the match there is a probability calculator. So probability calculator in is shown in the screen. So if it is a match between India and Australia. So if it is a match between India and Australia, so there is a probability that India can win 92% chance, it is 82%. So they are showing the data. They are calculating the probability. So probability of winning, probability of losing. So like that. So it is a chance basically. So the word probability means just like a chance. It is an idea. So probability, it may rain today. We can say that probability, what is the probability that it may rain today? It may rain today. Okay. So in day-to-day life, we used to say this word probability, possibility, it may rain today. Okay. So these are all the basic definitions of probability. Okay. So now what we will learn in this chapter, some technical words like what is your experiment, okay, random experiment, sample space. So this is all related to your probability. So let's understand next definition of random experiment. So let us understand your next this random experiment. See, an experiment in which all the possible outcomes are known and the exact outcome cannot be predicted in advance is called a random experiment. Random means just we don't know, it is not specific, randomly. Okay, randomly it is done. So random experiment mean an experiment in which all the possible outcomes in which all the possible outcomes are known in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact outcome cannot be predicted in advance. Predicted in advance is called a random experiment. Okay, so it is an experiment, just this, it is an act. Okay, it is an act and the result is your outcome. Okay, we don't know the outcome. By the outcome we means the what are the consequences of that experiment. So there can be many possible outcomes, but and we don't know about the what is the exact outcome it may be. Okay, so just example, let us take an example context to this chapter, tossing a coin. Okay, so tossing a coin. So what is the tossing of coin? So this is an experiment, random experiment. So we will get our outcome, maybe our head, maybe our tail. Okay. So this is an experiment, the tossing a coin. Okay. So we don't know the exact outcome. So similarly, rolling a dice. rolling a dice. Okay. So this is your rolling a dice. This is also a random experiment. In rolling a dice, what we will get? We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are the only possibilities we can get. Okay. So rolling a dice, after rolling a dice, tossing a coin is done, rolling, and these are all context to the this chapter example. So this is your random experiment, an experiment in which you don't know the exact outcome, but you know the overall outcome may be like this. Okay, so drawing a card from a pack of well shuffled cards, drawing a card from a pack of well shuffled cards. Okay, drawing a card from a pack of well shuffled cards. So we don't know. So there are four categories of cards. Okay, so drawing a card, that one card can be any random. Okay, so these are all the random experiments. So their outcomes we don't know. We are not specific about the outcomes. Now next, let us understand the next definition in this related to the probability is a sample space. What is your sample space? See the outcomes. So that experiment. Okay, so let's write the definition. The sample space. The sample space of an experiment. The sample space of an experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. The sample space of an experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. The sample space of an experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. That means whatever, see, if we have taken an example like tossing a coin. Tossing of a coin. So what is your tossing of a coin means? So you will get your outcomes either your head or your tail. Either your head or your tail. This will give you will be this here. This is the only outcome. So this is your possible outcome. But if I put in my this curly bracket, this becomes a sample space. Sample space related to this event. Okay. Sample space. Sample space related to this experiment tossing of a coin. Similarly, rolling a die, rolling of a dice. So what you will get? You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are your outcomes. But if I put this in a curly brackets, you will get your sample space ready. So this is your sample space. So this collection of all the possible outcomes. Okay, the total outcomes resulted in the formation of your sample space. Okay. So this is how we should know some important definition of probability, random experiments, and sample space. So they all are interrelated. So I hope you understood that topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through my Urban Pro Profile app. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.